But last couple of minutes of trade then, so let's wind down the markets. Today was a down day actually. A couple of companies came out with their monthly update and the street didn't like it too much, or the quarterly update. Case in point being Eicher Motors, that was down in trade. Mahindra and Mahindra as well was struggling in today's trading session. And UltraTech Cement came out with their quarterly update. 5% growth, didn't do it for the bulls. That stock was down close to around 2.5 in today's trading session. A couple of those big boys as well were under pressure. L&T goes home with a cut of close to around 2.5% in trade. What did well? Well, it was the doctors all the way, or the pharma stocks. You had Divis Laboratories, Pharma, both of them did well. And the PSU mining theme continues to play out. So you had stocks like Coal India as well as NMDC. Both of them bucked the trend in today's session. But that's about the frontline stocks. What about the broader markets?
Well, broader markets, they actually had a much better session because from a 1% cut, the midcap index is going home with a cut of less than 0.2%. And if you look at individual names, I'll actually start with the winners rather than the losers. Lemon Tree Hotels, because Motilal picked it as one of the top bets for 2024. Stock worked very well today, 9.5% up. You had Zomato reacting quite well to the fact that obviously December 31 was a bumper for orders, but the fact that they're levying higher platform fee as well. Now, Yes Bank had a decent session, 2.5%. We are talking about the Pharma rally that spread out beyond the Nifty as well. So names like Granules, for instance, Alembic Pharma, Granules, a lot of them had fair amount of green on them. Now, the PSU move is still on. It wasn't just the metal stocks that Nigel was referring to, but even if you go beyond an NMDC and a Coal India, look at the others. Look at NALCO, look at BHEL, Bank of India, SJVN. Fair amount of money moving back to some of these names as well. And then you had some big movers and shakers. VST, of course, on the back of that block trade that we've been discussing. Make Money, Organic, Subros, these were some of the other stocks that found a fair amount of traction. But I guess the problem for the market really remains banking. And that's the biggest question that we're ending the day with.
Oh, absolutely. The Bank Nifty ending with a cut of almost 1% today. So it's the rate sensitives actually. Both banks and the auto space have been under pressure today. So maybe some give back is what you're seeing. Auto stocks, as we've been saying, Eicher Motors, M&M down about 3 to 4%. Banking stocks under pressure. So today has been some amount of profit taking in rate sensitives, while on the flip side, Pharma really has been the the space to be in. Lupin, Glenmark, Aurobindo all hitting fresh 52-week highs. But that's a wrap on Closing Bell. Don't go anywhere. Markets Forward comes up next. Stay tuned.